And we're back to learning Photoshop in the year day 189. Let me show the Notes tool. It's just a minor tool, but you can use that for communication. Let me just add 3 shapes here: rectangle, triangle, ellipse. Activate the Notes tool. It's under the toolbox with the short key I, so where you also find the eyedropper tool. And you can just left click anywhere. Well, let me first set the author. It's my name. You can switch the color here. And let me just add one via a left click. The Notes menu will pop up right there, and you can add your note. Left click again on a different shape. Let me change the color. You have a new note. You can add a new message. So this is used for internal communication when you share your files. And these note icons, they will not be printed out. So when you print out your image, they will be gone, but they will still be stored in the file. When you export it, for example, as a PDF, the notes will still be in there. So when you share this stuff with other people, they will be able to read it. Another side note, if you can't see the Notes menu, just go to Window, and there you can click on it. You can also open the Notes menu right here via this icon, which looks like a Notes folder. And you can delete your notes via the Notes menu one by one. Or just click on Clear All when the Notes tool is active right there, and they will all be deleted. As I've said, just a minor tool, but this is how you can use the Note tool. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.